Guys, welcome back to another video. Your boy Tdurrgt here, bringing you back finally the Fender rolling video that we need for the car today. I have a 305 35 20 tire, lowered on the lowest Eibach lowering springs, which is a 2-inch drop in the rear, and I think it's like a 1.5 or 1.7 in the front. Guys, I've been looking around and I honestly have not seen anyone on YouTube like post a video of rolling like 11 through 14 Mustang Fenders, and I was thinking, like, could these Fenders even get rolled? Because as you can see, like most cars, they have, you got the like outer edge right here, but then on the inside you got like another lip that's in there. My car doesn't have like another lip, it's just this outer edge right here. So I was wondering, how in the world am I gonna roll my Fenders? Came across somebody on Facebook Marketplace who actually rolls Fenders, and he's doing them today for 50 bucks. He does them for 50 bucks. Seen some pictures of what he does and his work, and it actually looks pretty good. So we're actually gonna give him a tryout today, and we're actually gonna hope and see that I can stop rubbing on these tires, because the chunk of my tire is just really coming off. I don't want my paint to keep fading on my Fender for the long term, and we just need to save some money before we just dash through these expensive $400 tire Toyo Proxies. I mainly rub when I hit like extreme aggressive bumps on the highway, not really on the road because I'm not going as fast. But when I'm going on the highway, like say for racing per se, or just probably going just fast on the highway in general, when I hit a bump, I can definitely hear those tires back there rubbing and just taking a good chunk out of those tires back there, and it just sounds so horrible. 305 35 20s. Now if I would have got a 305 30 20, and I'm pretty sure I would not be rubbing at all. I think I would have been safe.
Take the first vlog of it.
The first vlog. My name's Tdurrgt, by the way. Tdurrgt. But we're gonna get like we're gonna get some before and after. As you can see, this is the Fender before. How long you been rolling Fenders for? I had a New Edge Mustang before, and I rolled my Fenders with a baseball bat though, not with an actual Fender roller. That's probably like one of your biggest pet peeves.
I hate people that don't shit with baseball bat.
Alright. So we got both wheels off, and then we're gonna attack next.
Clean up on under the fenders, make sure there's all that dirt and grimes off.
Yeah. And
then put the roller on. Might have to jack up the axle a little bit.
How quick of a job usually is that?
Depends on the car. Easy cars like this, because some BMWs have like all like the metal, like really bad caulking in there. All that
extra thing that's back there.
Yeah, because they're on BMWs, it's like this.
Yeah, and then you get
everything in there is full.
Yeah.
So I have to cut all that out.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was talking about, because since it has like one lip right here, I remember my New Edge Mustang had like another inner lip like this that I folded back.
Yeah, that.
But this car, it doesn't fold back at all. It's just
it's already pre-folded in, but you still need that little bit more room.
Yeah, and I was wondering, I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, guys, like, I don't even think I can get my Fenders rolled, guys, because it's like already rolled. I was thinking, but we're gonna work some magic right here, and we're gonna roll it some more. We threw the Fender roller on, and people like we can if they wanted to, they can like get these from Advanced Auto or something for like a loan, right?
No. You gotta get them either from Eastwood. I'd steer away from the ones off Amazon, eBay, any of like those quick buy websites. Yeah. There's one brand that from Japan. If you're looking for like an American-based one, I'd stick with the Eastwood. I
thought I heard that like you can like rent these from freaking AutoZone or Advanced Auto or something like that, but I guess not.
Nah.
No. So you actually gotta buy them. So we did kind of run into like a little mini problem. We got on this side really easy, but since the caliper is in the way, it won't allow the Fender roller to just roll the Fender on this side. The caliper is in the way, it's kind of blocking the way. We're gonna have to take off the brake caliper right now to allow the Fender roller to just roll a little bit more on this side. I just took my brake pads off, and
pretty much glazed. You got a bunch of grooves back there.
Yeah.
And a bunch of grooves back there.
Really soon, we're gonna upgrade to some drill and slide, like I said in the past video. But right now, we just took off the brake pad, so then we can allow some access right here. We're gonna take off the caliper too, so it can allow access for the Fender roller.
Now that we got the caliper bracket off, we can actually roll it in back this way.
So as you can see, the Fenders on Blue Dini right here is rolled, especially this angle right here. You can definitely see the partial angle that's right here where it's pulled out. Where it is pulled out right there. And if you guys were wondering, that S right there, those are indeed the strange axles. Really rated for some high horsepower, so we ain't got to be working about breaking no axles. As we're throwing on the wheel, we just finished up and drop it. We're gonna go ahead and drop the car to the ground and see. Y'all can definitely, like, I keep thinking y'all can't see it, but y'all can definitely see. Let's see how good we are now. Boom. How far that's the wheel is actually tucking a little bit, but sometimes it is uneven. Since I don't have that adjustable panhard bar, we're gonna go check the other side, but it is definitely looking pretty good, pretty tucked right there. Pouring on over to the next day, guys. As you can see, my fenders went from this to this, and as we keep going over and over and over and over, you can definitely see the crease that is right here within the fender. Now essentially we didn't roll the fender, we basically pulled the fender out a little bit, and it allows more clearance for this wheel to just tuck in a little bit more, which definitely helps any clearance at all. Definitely with this crease here, it looks really good. Jordan did a great job. The paint is not cracking whatsoever. The fender is rolled in pretty evenly. We got some white tape right here. One of you mentioned that I should throw some white tape on my fenders right here, and we're gonna see after I do some pulls if I actually am rubbing a lot. I threw white tape on the passenger side fender right here, and I also got tape on the driver's side fender right here. So now let's go head on to some back roads. Let's go do some nasty pulls, try a couple of nasty digs, and overall we're gonna see if we are actually still rubbing pretty nasty here. So we're in fourth gear right now. We're about to drop it down to third. I'm gonna drop it down to second real quick. Traffic behind me, I don't want to hold them up, but drop it down to second. Drop it down to second once again. I'm gonna actually drop it down to first gear. Second and third action as we get out. After I did about 3 pulls, and as you can see here, there is nothing. There is no tire marks whatsoever from those like first and second gear pulls. And honestly, guys, to be honest with you, I don't think I rub too much when I do pulls. I really do think I rub a lot once I hit bumps at excessive high speeds, not being careful at all. Now I'm gonna just hit it about like 1 or 2 digs. It's really hot out here. I don't want to keep bogging this car in this weather, but there are no tire marks when I did these pulls. Now let's just go try some digs out. So I just did some slight pulls right here, or some slight digs. Honestly, it wasn't even too good, but I just wanted to get the car to squat. And as you guys can see, let me just take off the tape for this one. I do think we do see a little bit of tire mark right here. if we can focus right there just a little bit, not really too much. I have been driving around for a good freaking like 20 minutes as well. It's not really too deep. Now if we go over here to the passenger side, let's see here. Oh yeah, for sure. Dang. Yeah, the passenger side seems to I don't know if we can see there. Yeah, the passenger side is still definitely rubbing away a lot more, especially on the dig. Now, when we did rolls, it did not rub too much, but especially on that dig, get that torque, make that freaking backhand squat like no other. Definitely for sure, as you guys can see here. So with that being said, did pulling my fenders help? Did it work? Well, I can say it helped. If you have like a really freaking chunky, meaty tire back here, say like a freaking, I don't know, Mickey Thompson, freaking radial, something back here, really beefy tire that sticks out, pulling your fender may not work. Just may not work for you to clear it. But if you just have like a little small issue like me, where you just have like a little small clearance issue, and this will definitely help by pulling it out. I did not even know that you can like even pull out these fenders on these cars because they are like already rolled basically. So I just wanted to give it out a try. I didn't pay too much to get these things pulled out. He does these things for a freaking great deal. So if you guys want to get your fenders pulled out on any car, not even Mustang, any cars at all, then he can definitely do that. Just let me know and then I can send you guys to him over in Romeoville. But yeah guys, that's the end game for this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm actually right behind this Ford right here. I'm about to go pick up my header gaskets and we're gonna continue on for the next video, man. We gone.